Planet is round because of gravity. A planet's gravity pulls equally from all sides. Gravity pulls from the center to the edges like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. This makes the overall shape of a planet a sphere, which is a three-dimensional circle. The Earth and all planets are round because when the planets formed, they were composed of molten material, essentially very hot liquid. Since gravity always points toward the center of a mass, it squeezed the stuff the Earth is made of equally in all directions and formed a ball. When the Earth cooled down and became a solid, it was a round ball. If the Earth didn't spin, then it would have been a perfectly round planet. Scientists call something that is perfectly round in all directions a sphere. With its large body and internal heating from radioactive elements, a planet behaves like a fluid, and over long periods of time succumbs to the gravitational pull from its center of gravity. The only way to get all the mass as close to planet's center of gravity as possible is to form a sphere. The technical name for this process is isostatic adjustment. While all the planets in our solar system are nice and round, some are rounder than others. Mercury and Venus are the roundest of all. They are nearly perfect spheres, like marbles. But some planets aren't quite so perfectly round. Saturn and Jupiter are a bit thicker in the middle. As they spin around, they bulge out along the equator. Why does that happen? When something spins, like a planet as it rotates, things on the outer edge have to move faster than things on the inside to keep up. This is true for anything that spins, like a wheel, a DVD, or a fan. Things along the edge have to travel the farthest and fastest. Because of gravity, all planets are round, and because they rotate at different rates, some have fatter equators than their poles. So the shape of the planet and the speed and direction that it rotates depends on the initial condition of the material out of which it forms. Despite its improbability, some scientists have wondered about what a cubical planet would be like. Assuming that the rocky part of the planet would somehow maintain its cubeness, the air and water would not have any such magical property and would pool in the center of each cube side. Life would be confined to the shores of the central lakes, with the cube edges and corners being giant impassable mountains.